want to increase your flexibility or cardiovascular endurance, or perhaps you want to tone your muscles in a low-impact environment. Maybe you want to improve your core strength. Well, congratulations on your decision to make yourself a priority and commit to a regular workout routine. The addition of physical fitness into your life requires hard work, but yields great rewards. Now, one of the hardest parts can be which method you should choose. With the vast choice of fitness workout options available today, it can be overwhelming to know which one is right for you. Hi, I'm Tanya Becker, co-founder of the Physique 57 method and fitness professional for over 30 years. Today we are going to look at the differences between Pilates, yoga, and Barre. All three of these modalities provide an effective workout from which you will see positive physical results. All will help you to sculpt and tone your muscles and improve your overall health and posture. Having an awareness of your present fitness levels and future goals can help you decide which workout method will be best. All workout programs require a fair amount of commitment in order to achieve maximum results. So factors such as duration, frequency, location, and types of classes available may help you decide which one is a good fit for you. Your level of commitment to any fitness program hinges greatly upon your level of enjoyment with the exercise methods you choose. Although any amount of physical activity is positive, the more you exercise, the better results you will see. The fitness program you ultimately choose is a personal choice and depends upon many factors. Whether it's yoga, Pilates, or Barre, knowing the basic methodology of each workout option along with the benefits and similarities and differences can help you decide which one is a good fit for you. Let's take a look at yoga, which when translated from Sanskrit means to control or to unite. It is said to have originated in India thousands of years ago. While its origins are based upon religion, many yoga classes today focus more on the connection between mind, body, and spirit, and achieving a balance within the body. Yoga concentrates heavily on body awareness, breathing, and stretching. You will need a yoga mat on which you will spend the majority of your workout. A series of warm-up exercises involving breathing and stretching usually begins the class. From there, you will engage in a variety of yoga positions designed to stretch and work your muscles. This involves holding your body in challenging poses designed to work a variety of muscle groups at the same time. A cool-down period with breathing exercises will end your session. Here are some benefits you can expect from yoga. Physical benefits include increased flexibility and muscle strength and tone. Regular yoga practice can decrease stiffness and joint pain and improve posture and coordination. It can also prevent you from suffering future muscle injuries. Yoga is appropriate for individuals of all ages and fitness levels. Those who are seeking a workout that increases their mind, body, and spiritual awareness will find yoga to be a good fit for them. Now let's take a look at Pilates. Pilates is a fitness method that was developed by Joseph Pilates in Germany during World War I. Originally, he intended to help rehabilitate injured soldiers. Pilates broadened his method to help people of all walks of life, including dancers, to strengthen their bodies. His method stressed the use of the mind to control the muscles and was often used to help heal and build strength in individuals who were recovering from injuries. Pilates mostly uses your own body weight for resistance and focuses on both small and large muscle groups. There are also machines like the Reformer, Cadillac, and Chair that may also be used in Pilates workouts. Over time, core strength, flexibility, and muscle tone will begin to increase. Pilates is not an aerobic exercise method, so it's best to combine it with a few days of cardiovascular exercise. Although the movements are small and slow, Pilates provides an intense full-body workout. Here are some of the physical benefits of Pilates. You will see an increase in muscle strength and tone without creating bulk. The increase in deep core muscle strength helps to make your abdominal muscles look tight and toned. It also improves your flexibility and posture, which can decrease your chances of injuring yourself. Pilates is also effective in easing chronic lower back pain and preventing future pain and injuries. Pilates is great for individuals of all fitness levels. People who are just beginning a fitness program will find it's a great way to ease into more intense methods of exercises. It's also beneficial for pregnant and postpartum women and people wishing to strengthen their muscles after an injury. A physician's approval should be sought before beginning any exercise program. People who enjoy yoga but may be looking for a more vigorous core workout can benefit from Pilates, as they both incorporate similar mind-clearing techniques. Pilates is great for people who desire a full body workout during each class. Though an intense fitness method, Pilates provides an effective workout with minimal impact on the joints. Finally, let's discuss Barre, a popular workout program that is rapidly gaining recognition and followers. This fitness program is essentially a mixture of ballet-inspired exercises, yoga, and Pilates. Barre derives from the Lotte Berk method, founded in 1959 in London by its namesake, a German dancer looking to stay fit while nursing a back injury. In the Barre fitness method, a dancer's bar and a mat are used. While an intense and effective workout method, no previous dance experience is required. Barre uses your own body weight for resistance and focuses on small, deliberate movements that focus on specific muscle groups, muscles that aren't always used in other workouts. Muscles are worked to the point of fatigue and then stretched for relief. Proper form, body alignment, and posture is stressed, which in turn leads to an overall strengthening of core muscles and the appearance of an aligned, lean body. Barre helps strengthen and tone your muscles without increasing bulk, and it improves your posture. It also increases your cardiovascular endurance and metabolism, which helps to quickly burn calories. Perhaps one of the best benefits of Barre is that it's fun. It incorporates the use of upbeat music and engaging choreography. When working out is fun and enjoyable, your chances of staying with the program greatly increase. For a program that offers both Pilates and Barre workouts, I suggest checking out the Physique 57 method. In addition to studio locations around the world, Physique 57 offers fun and effective online classes that can be streamed on demand in the comfort of your own home and at the time that works best for you. Our expert instructors will ensure that you are safely pushing yourself to your limits while having a great time doing it. Yes, you'll work hard, probably harder than you ever have before, but the results and the feeling of empowerment you will gain are well worth the effort. Remember, you can start seeing visible results in as little as 8 workouts. I hope this breakdown of each of these modalities was helpful. Remember to find something you enjoy, find fun, and is easily accessible, as you will be more apt to stick with it. Making the commitment to start an exercise program is an exciting first step in improving your life through increased physical and mental health. After all, what better investment can you make than in yourself? Visit our website today to stream your free trial and workout class.